Hi everyone, welcome to my today program. Okay, today program I am going to introduce you to a company called Adsterra. Show you the quickest and the shortest way to start making money with Adsterra. Okay, well without any further delay, this is Adsterra welcome dashboard that can so you can buy traffic here, you can as well start earning with traffic after. So this is start west of that. If you are new, just click on sign. So there ask you sign up as a publisher. So don't forget to sign up as a publisher. Click on start earning. Sign up page. Okay, so here you put your email address, you put your name, choose username, login in, you choose messenger to reach you, telegram, WhatsApp, anyone. You just choose WhatsApp, then you choose WhatsApp, you put your WhatsApp number, you choose country, you choose country, Nigeria, then you click on sign. Okay, allow this capture to open, the security check, allow it to look. So low. Tick on it, you check this box, then you click on sign up. Okay, this is for those who are new. So but me, in my case, I have account with Adsterra. All I need to do is just to click on login. So I'm just bring you to this page so that you will see how the sign up page look like. Okay, so now I'm a publisher with Adsterra. So all I need to do is I click here, login my so I'm as a publisher. So all I need to wait is I need to wait to verify this cloud first security. Okay, due to network, let me go straight to my account. Opera is already logged in. Opera. Server very soon. So we still have to exercise patience. After you create accounts, email accounts that you use to open accounts, you go and apply the account. After that, now on login from the welcome page, you can log in your information that you use to add, and then you log in. Why is too bad. Okay. Hi everyone. From this moment, I need you to. So this is the page of Adsterra, your admin account, your admin dashboard. Okay. So this is my own account. Okay. So this is how, after you log in, click on login, you put your username, put your password, you verify the captcha. After verification, you log in. This is the next page that they will open for you. This is your dashboard. Okay, so now from this place on, now you have to pay attention to what I'm going to show you now. Okay, if you click here, click the arrow here, you see the dashboard by your left hand side. You see the dashboard, the menu. So inside this menu we have dashboard, which is what you are looking at here now, the page that is displaying. We have statistics. So when you click on statistics, you allow it to load. So this is my statistics. So what is this statistics? This statistics shows every information about activities that is going on in your site, how many impressions that comes, how many clicks, the CTR, the CPM, and the revenue. So all these things are the things that decide how your earnings are calculated. Okay, so that's it. This statistics shows you real time activities or on your website or direct link you are promoting. Okay, so now that's the work of the statistics. You go back to this menu, you see smartlink. The next one is smartlink. You click on smartlink. So this smartlink is exactly what I want to reveal to you. Use it and start making money with Adsterra, with or without website. Okay, so you see these smart links here. I created them. All you need to do, once you click on that smart link as a new account, you won't have these smart links added because it will be empty. You are the one who add smart link. So as somebody who wants to make money with Adsterra and you do not have websites to give it to them so that they will monetize your traffic, you don't have to worry about that. So if you come to this page, remember, you click on this menu, you will see smart links. You click on that smart link, this will open. So once it's open, all you need to do is you go and you look for this add smart link here. So when you click on this add smart link, you are able to open. So this is the page that is open. They will ask you add new smart link, traffic type of traffic do you want to market, monetize. You say mainstream. You click on mainstream, not adult. So now this is mainstream. You said add. Click on add. Okay, this process may take 1 to 3 minutes. We will notify you by email. You got it. So as you can see, the new smart link just added now is still pending. Okay, you can see pending. So within some few minutes, it will become live. So all I can go. Let me go ahead and show you other things about okay. So the next the next page, see a smart link from the menu side. See website. So if you click on this website, you click on this. Okay, so see, I have a so now what is the work of this? If you have a site, a blog that you want to monetize the traffic that is coming into your site with Adsterra. This is where you do that. All you need to do, you click on add site, a box will pop up. Now here you are required to input the your website link. That is a website address. You choose the category, and you choose the add code you want to install to that your website. You click on add. But for now, we are not adding sites. I just want to show you how to do that. So the next page we are going to look into from the menu side is your referrals. Okay, your referrals has to do with an affiliate links they will be there that is prepared for you to use and invite people into the program. Okay, so as you can see, I have about few referrals here. Okay, I have about 5 referrals. So this is my referral dashboard. This is my referral dashboard. So that's the work of the referral page from the main menu. So the next page we are going to look into is the API. This is for developer, it doesn't really matter. Then the next page is your profile. You can have to click on your profile, set it up, your payment information, how you want to be paid. For instance, you click on payment information. Good evening. But this is the payment information. So you choose the payment option you want. Like you can choose Tether, Bitcoin. That is, once you have the minimum of $100, they will pay you through Bitcoin. Or you can choose anyone. If you have past some $5 minimum and the rest of it. So this is how and where to set up your payment options. So once you choose the USDT, you can now put the USDT address here, and you click on save. Okay, so now this is the work of payment option, payment information, how to set up your payment information. So now, as you can see, there are no much things to do here. And after that, once we host websites, I'm going to show you people how to connect a site to this Adsterra and monetize your website using Adsterra. So but we are dealing with smart links, so without waste of time, I go back to smart link. So it's loading. I have to exercise special network. Network is bad. Good. So, okay, without any waste of time, as you can see, the link has been activated. It's now active. So the first one is the link that we just added right now. So now you have created your direct link. Okay, so it means you now have access to a website that you can market and make money through traffic with Adsterra. So what you need to do is you just click on copy link. You see this link now, you've copied. So is this link that you can now be marketing and be sending traffic to this link. That traffic now will be converting to money here. That just, so that is how to create direct link with Adsterra, and what you use to make money with Adsterra, with or without website. Okay, so it's the smart link. So once you copy that smart link, you can now share it anywhere. Share it to so if you have an advertisement company that you are run advertisement with, that's cool. That's where everything gets easier. Okay, so all you need to do, take this link, go to that advertisement website, create an ad campaign for this link. So people will be viewing this link, and the Adsterra will be converting that traffic that is hitting that link into cash. That's just it. As simple as that. That's how this you can make money using direct link with Adsterra. Okay. So now you have created this link. Once you create this link and you copy it and you want to confirm how it works, all you need to do is you can just copy. As once you copy the link, share it to some of those your friends there. Then they should click on that link, open whatever ad that is in that link. Once they open it, they should interact with the ad, spend at least a minimum of 1 minute 2 minutes on that site. Then after that, you give 15 minutes time, come back to Adsterra, click on your statistics, then you tell me what you see there. Okay, so that is how to make money with Adsterra smartlink. Simple. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that once we drop new videos you get notification, and don't forget to share, because information is power. Someone else out there might be in need of this kind of video. Thank you, and remain blessed.